What motto have you always lived by or maybe recently adapted that in this very moment you're like, yes, that's exactly what I need to be living? For me, it's stay ready so you don't gotta get ready, because you know why? Your girl is moving. Give me a moment. I don't think you understand the struggles. The struggle of living in the dorms. And if you live in the dorms, hey, I see you. I see you. But anyways, hey, how you doing? Welcome and welcome again to Just Do Things. My name is Dee, of course, and we are moving. We are moving. Oh, my arm hurts. I usually use the front face camera, but this time I'm using the back face camera, and it feels weird. It's like, wait a minute, I have a stand. Why don't I just use that? Don't ask, don't talk about it. Today is Friday the 7th of February, and on the 10th, I will be moving to my first apartment here in Korea. Thank God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Woo! We've come a long way, but before we can move out, we gotta go get some stuff. We gotta go prepare. I already signed my contract yesterday, and now I just gotta pay the deposit and do a whole bunch of other stuff. So right now, I need to go to Daiso, buy some stuff so that I can clean over here, because I'm living in my friend's apartment in the meantime. Shout out to you, homie. We're just gonna do what we gotta do so we can move out. I'm already packed because when I moved out of the dorm, we just didn't unpack because I was like, I'm not gonna be here for long. So I was here for 2 weeks, for all of 2 weeks. So that's a lesson for somebody. In an instant, your thing could change just like that. So don't fret and let's go. I don't know if it's because I'm moving out now, so I'm paying attention to stuff to buy for my place. I don't remember seeing these things before. Like, what do you mean this big pair of scissors has always been there? Huh? What do you mean this pizza cutter has always been there? What do you mean this, not even sure what this is called, but what do you mean that's always been there? What do you mean this big one has always been here? I feel like I've never seen this, because otherwise I'd be all over it. But now I'm about to be all over it, because I have this one, which is very cute and very handy, especially for when I was at the dorm. But this one is like, this says we have a home to go to. I'll get something else somewhere else, but nah. Oh, this one's cool. It folds. No, I want something big like this. I'm about to open up a restaurant in my house. More stuff for the restaurant. Gotta plan ahead for when I have people over, for when I'm hosting. Oh, this is so cute. I have so many aprons already, but this is so cute. Okay, plates. I wonder if I should get glass. Like, let's go to the other side. I need a cart, but I can't find any carts up here. Usually there's some. See, this one's in use. Should have grabbed one on the bottom floor or something. But anyways, we're at the glass section. This is where adults are. This is cute. Oh my goodness. If I can find blue ones, I'm planning my place like right now. Oh, I love this. Maybe I'll do white. Oh yeah, this is glass, all right. Oh my goodness, look at this one. She's so cute. Look at this, it's a whole set. The way I keep coming back here. See, like I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's move out. Let's move out right now. Now I can see myself eating cereal in here. If you couldn't tell, I'm obsessed with flowers, but duh, just girly things. Hey, let me make sure I grab my purse, because knowing me, I do have a tendency to forget, so let's not do that. I think if anything, I'd get like a neutral color just so I can get these type of plates. Just because why not? Hold on, where can I put my purse? Hold on, I'm gonna put my purse like right here. Mainly so I can just see if this is microwavable. I think I looked already, but I don't remember. Yes, microwave safe. I have no intentions of putting it in the microwave, but hey, you never know. What if? We'll go to the place first, because I went there yesterday and I saw it, but it was very like, it was pretty quick. I didn't have time to like look as in depth as I would want to, especially since, you know, they're so pali over here that it's like, I really had no time. Oh, look at all these mugs. I was so busy talking, I wasn't even paying attention to these mugs. Ooh, she's so cute. Oven? Microwave? Yes, microwave. Dishwasher too. No dishwasher here. If this was blue, I'd be all over it. Okay, blue. Ha ha ha. Blue and gold? This might. Tulips? Oh, stop. Stop right there. But I am a huge fan of whatever this is. Okay, nice. Adulting things. All right.
You need some money.
I went to the wrong floor. I was supposed to go to floor 3, but I thought I was already on floor 3. Ah ha ha, yay, I love that for me. All right, so we go to E-Mart. Look at these. Look at this one. So pretty cute. So many blue ones. I get into this one. How did we get here? To the noodle aisle. Yes, yes, they're back. I thought they were gone forever. Oh, they're a little pricey. They're usually less expensive than this. What's really going on? I feel like that's pretty accurate. The US. Yeah, peanut butter, that's kind of crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. Mustard? Mustard! I'm trying to look for beans. Do they got beans here? Yo, I've had these. Gas. so good. I don't see beans, but maybe I'm looking in the wrong place. I'm coming back for you too. 2,000 though? I might come back for you a long time. But yeah, I don't see any beans. Seen some recipes. I'm about to make this from scratch. Nah, because y'all not ready for the from scratch recipes. I'm so freaking stoked. I don't see beans. What's going on? But I bet, look at this. It's on sale, so I might get it. But look at these. Yeah, I'm coming back for y'all. All of y'all. I'm coming back for all of y'all. I know I can make it myself, but I actually would like some, so. My phone's about to die, so I'm gonna head. Hello?
Drifting through the wind.
What's going on? Anyways, my phone's about to die, so I'm gonna head home.
The next day.
Listen, I know I say this for every season, but I cannot wait till it's spring so I could really start dressing. I'm so tired of having to put on a jacket over everything. But you know what? At least I have a jacket to put on, so we're gonna be grateful. Right now it's -4 Celsius, which is 26 Fahrenheit. Let's get this bread, I guess. Just finished with the realtor. There was this lady. Give me a second. Ooh, I love this for me, I really do. What I was saying was, there's this lady. So I'm wearing my Crocs, my non-slips, mind you, and I'm feeling like they're not really non-slip anymore. Maybe they're old, or maybe it's just so much snow that it's like, hey, they're supposed to be for the kitchen, not the outside. But my point being, there's this lady who had heels on. They were like chunky kitten heels, so cute. She's walking like it was nothing, and I'm just like, you know what? Let me not complain because my girl looked good. But I'm just like, dang, that balance must be real good because she was not slipping and sliding or nothing. She had her little coat on. She looked like she was about to, you know what I'm saying, caso cerrado, you know what I mean? She was about to close another case, but she looked good. But just finished talking to the realtor, got my questions answered. Listen, that realtor, chef's kiss, love that man. But anyways, is it normal that, let me actually open the window. It's really hot in here. But is it normal to pay rent before you move in? Now I understand the deposit, but in my mind, it makes sense to pay the rent a month after you move in, right? A month after you move in, because it's like, what am I paying for if I haven't lived there? Maybe that's a silly brain, a youngin thought, but I'm curious. I guess it depends on the person or the building, but I don't know. To me, it makes more sense to pay a month after. Like, I understand the deposit, I understand the gas, all that stuff, but the rent, shouldn't that be after I moved in? Like, what am I paying for right now exactly? Anyways, get into the rest of the day, shall we? Also, look outside. You know, I've been here for 2 weeks now. I have not even gone outside, and that's okay. I don't need to go outside. I know what it's like out there. Tell me why I was trying to grab the rice cooker and the cord got stuck. It was up here, right? The cord got stuck and took the mug with it. Tomorrow's the big day, and this is one thing that happened. You know what? You know what?
experience?
I wait for the bus every day.
Have you ever waited tables?
Why would I wait for a table?
It's about 2 something in the morning. It's move out day. I'm gonna take a nap. Yeah. Then I'm probably gonna get up in like 3 hours so I can clean up around here. Gotta go get the money from the bank account so that I can deposit it into my Korean bank account. It's my Korean bank account so that I can transfer the money when it's time. And then start the move out process. Bought the drying rack yesterday. Yeah, the weather was good enough. I didn't get a chance to do laundry just because it was getting late and I just didn't want to be super late. So I will do some laundry today. So yeah, the weekend was very successful. Anything else? I don't think so. I don't think so. All right, I will see you in the next episode. Take care. Don't forget to use up that food you have in your fridge before it expires, because groceries are expensive out here. We really can't afford to be letting stuff go to waste anymore. You bought it for a reason, use it. Go on YouTube, go on Pinterest, you know what I'm saying? Go on Twitter, go on TikTok, go on TikTok, you feel me? And find a good recipe with what you have in your fridge. You got spinach, find a recipe. You got tofu, find a recipe. You got bean sprouts, find a recipe. Those are all things that I have in my fridge right now. I need to use them. Don't forget to take your vitamin pills. Your the deficiency is not gonna undeficient itself, so get to work. All right, bye.